Yo, haha, Miltnificent.
Looks like we have an official release date for the Air Max 1000 Oat series on the sneakers app. But that's not the only place you can grab these. There is one slight hiccup on this release, and I'll explain momentarily. But let's talk about it. What is good, YouTube? Your boy Miltnificent coming back with another quick video. And if you look on the sneakers app, details for the Air Max 1000 release, the first Nike printed shoe in the Air Max series. And I felt like this design, it looks comfortable. Zellerfeld, if I'm not mistaken, is the company that Nike partnered up with to produce this particular Air Max. And I felt like this is something that's going to take Nike's innovation further. It's just that if you look on the sneakers app, it's telling you that this release, it won't be easy. In fact, it's going to be limited pairs, because I'd imagine to produce a shoe like this, especially when it's 3D printed, you only have but so much time to create it, and they only created but so many pairs. So on the sneakers app, it looks like you're going to see the Oat colorway. But on August 19th, if I'm not mistaken, was the date, 1 p.m. Eastern, you'll also see the black colorway, but it won't be on the sneakers app. It'll be on the Zellerfeld website. So if you go on the Zellerfeld website, you'll see, they already have it on there with a timer, if I'm not mistaken. And then you set the notify button that's kind of below, so you get notified when the drop is going to happen. Looks like the timer aligns around the same time, around the same date, actually, around when sneakers app, when they'll be doing the Oat series. So I'd be curious to see what's going to happen, because Nike also, I want to say it was a SneakerCon event, they also had the Air Max 1000 series in different colors. So you saw it in red, blue, orange, if I'm not mistaken. And I think those colors will be released during the holiday portion of this year. But from what I can see, what I'm liking, that black colorway, I think, is going to be more coveted than the actual Oat colorway. But the problem is both looks like it's going to be limited, like extremely limited. Now, on the sneakers app, they're telling us that there's going to be a draw for the Oat. I believe on Zellerfeld's website, it's going to be first come, first serve for the black series. So, but it's also going to be limited. So I'm going to see which one I can grab. Comment below. Let me know. Are you going after this? I feel like the 3D print production, at least in terms of the shoes, it's something that Nike's going to explore moving forward. Where Zellerfeld be the company that handles majority of their printed shoes, we shall see. But the construction, the build, basically the overall design and the concept for this Air Max 1000 series, I'm looking forward to it. I'm pretty sure a lot of other Air Max fans will be looking forward to it. We shall see what happens comes August 19th. But your boy Miltnificent, man, I am a quick update about the Air Max 1000 Oat series, as well as the black series that will be featured exclusively on the Zellerfeld website. I am out for now, and you guys, stay blessed.